50व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचे आयोजन 20 ते 28 नोव्हेंबरान जातले. आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवा निमतान केंद्रीय माहिती आणि प्रसारण मंत्री प्रकाश जावडेकरांच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल बिरेस्तारा दिल्लीक बसका जाली. दिल्लीक जाल्ले हे बसकेक गोंय मनोरंजन सोसायटीचे उपाध्यक्ष आणि हेर अधिकारी हजर आसले. 50व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवा संबंधान जाल्ल्या बसकेन घेतिल्ल्या निर्णयाची माहिती गोंय मनोरंजन सोसायटीचो उपाध्यक्ष सुभाष फळदेसायन पणजेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन दिल्या.
DFF and ESG have geared up and we are trying to submit our final report on 20th to Honorable Union Minister Shri Prakash Javadekar ji. As regards to आमचे जी कॉन्ट्रोवर्सी गोंयान भितर जाल्ली आसा की गोवन फिल्म इज नॉट selected in the Indian panorama. Actually, when this news, much before the news which has flashed, जावं खंयच्या कोणी काँग्रेसीन काडलो आसतलो जावं गोवा फॉरवर्डान काडलो आसतलो, आमी एक रिक्वेस्ट घाल्लो सेंट्रल मिनिस्ट्री कडेन. दीस बिईंग अ 50th year, the golden jubilee of IFFI celebration, that a special opportunity should be given to Goan meritorious Goan film to be included along with the Indian panorama, and we brought it to the notice of Honorable Minister, and he said he is aware about the fact and he had already issued the directions much before we could talk to them. Maybe from our sources he got, maybe from Chief Minister he got the call, and he said that he has directed the concerned DFF people to get this movie screened along with Indian panorama. In fact, what all is happening as regards to the reports from the opposition leader and all other opposition parties as regards to screening of Goan film in Indian panorama, ते कोण कशें करतात की DFF appoints the panel of jury to choose the films on their merits, and the jury panel selects all those movies which are presented, and they make a list of all those such films which are on merit, and we as ESG, or for that matter even the DFF, do not have any role in the selection of the films to be screened as a Indian panorama. So हाचे भितर अशें कन्फ्युजन करपाची गरज ना. Opposition leaderak, he is well aware about the facts and the procedures, laid down procedure. आमचे जुरीचेर आमी इन्फ्लुएन्स करपाक शकना हेंय खबर आसा, but just to create doubts amongst the Goan film lovers आणि गोंयान भितर मातसो तो टर्बिडिटी करपा खातीर, वातावरणाची टर्बिडिटी करपा खातीर हो प्रयत्न आसा. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली दीस इयर द फिल्म इज नॉट स्क्रीन. देर आर, इफी गोंयान स्टार्ट जाले तेन्नाच्यान अनेक फावटी आमचे फिल्म इंडियन पॅनोरमाक सिलेक्ट जाले ना. एखादे वेळी मेरिटान बसले नासतले आनी कितें कारण आसपाक शकता. वी जस्ट कॅनॉट कॉमेंट ऑन दॅट. वी कॅनॉट कॉमेंट ऑन ज्युरीज सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस ऑल्सो. बट कोण कांय थोडेशे लोक उलयतात. दे से दॅट द गोवा स्पेंड्स सो मच ऑन IFFI organizations. Some people say 40 lakhs, the other person says 50 lakhs. But to my knowledge, 40 crores, sorry. Some people says 40 crores, some people says 50 crores. I do not know from where they get this information. Last year, I'll tell you the statistics of 3 years that Goa has spent on IFFI. IFFI 2016, we had spent around 22.62 crores. IFFI 2017, we had spent around 17.08, 17 crores 8 lakhs. And in IFFI 2018, we had spent around 12.94 crores. The lowest is in 2018. And this year, it would being a 50th year, we have made such a fabulous arrangements and decor so that it should look a golden IFFI. This would not cross, I feel, 18 crores. And gradually we are trying to get put less burden on the state, and we are trying to get the sponsors for that. This year we have Goan movies will be a part of open air screening. Okay. This year we have open air screening at two places. One is at Joggers Park, Altino, and the other one is Miramar Beach. The other section is IFFI Panorama Special Edition section, IFFI Panorama Special section, and in this Amori film will be screened. There will be official section of Goan movies to be showcased for 50th IFFI 2019. Goan sections advertisement will be floated requesting the who have got the films by 14th of this month. Okay. We will invite the applications, okay, from all the filmmakers. We are having short film making competition with film duration of minimum 5 minutes to maximum 8 minutes. This is what we propose to do it in this. Competition will be held during IFFI 2019 with 10 prizes at various categories. Okay. Screening at Ravindra Bhavan and also exploring possibility of screening in the state at different places, different talukas. We have a special section for the children. We name it as Children Village, wherein the films for the children's and all other entertainments will be provided for the children. We have some art park musical extravaganza, which is specially for maybe for everybody, especially for senior citizens. They can come and take the advantage of it. Art College will feature on the festival mile with specially curated activities of the students. This is a special thing that we are going to give it to Art College, College of Art. There are talented people who have got interest in film and photo sections. They can come and avail the mileage there. State Pavilion showcasing states and promoting film and tourism. Various states will participate. We have made a special arrangement for them, a beautiful arrangement which is made, and various states have applied for this, and we will generate a revenue out of it.